Gold is everywhere in investment conversations right now, and one product that keeps popping up is the Emirates NBD Gold Investment Account, a way to buy, hold, and sell gold through one of the region's biggest banks. Some ads make it sound like instant wealth protection, passive income, and a foolproof hedge against uncertainty. But before you commit cash, let's unpack what this really is and whether it actually makes sense for you. Quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling you this account. I'm breaking it down so you can make a smarter decision. First off, what you're getting with a gold investment account is digital ownership of physical gold, priced and tradable in real time based on live market rates. That's appealing if you want exposure to gold without buying bars or coins and worrying about storage, security, or insurance. With Emirates NBD, you can buy small amounts, sell easily, and monitor your balance online or through their app. The convenience factor is real, but there are costs to consider. Buying and selling isn't free. There are spreads and fees embedded in the pricing that can erode your returns, especially if you trade frequently. Unlike exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which often have transparent fees and liquidity, bank-based bullion accounts sometimes lack full clarity on what you're actually paying behind the scenes. For a long-term investor, those small cost differences can add up. Now let's talk value and risk. Gold historically holds value during inflation or economic stress, but it doesn't generate income like dividends or interest. So if you're using this as a hedge, it has a place, but it shouldn't be your only strategy. And unlike holding physical bullion in your hands, what you own here is a claim to gold held by the bank, which carries a different kind of counterparty risk. That's not bad, just different and worth knowing. Compared to buying gold coins or investing in gold securities, the Emirates NBD Gold Investment Account is clean, convenient, and accessible, but not magic. If your goal is long-term store of value and you're okay with the cost structure, it can work as part of a diversified portfolio. If you expect it to outperform the market or protect you from every financial storm, that's unrealistic. If this breakdown saved you from overselling hype or unexpected fees, then mission accomplished. I investigate whether financial products actually deliver versus what the marketing promises. Keep questioning everything, and I'll see you in the next honest review. Stay savvy.